Kia ora. My name's Bryn. I'm a doctor here at Auckland Regional Public Health. Today I'm going to share what happens if you have someone with COVID on your premises, such as a customer, visitor or staff member. This can be a stressful time, but don't worry. Help is available to guide you through the process. Together, we'll keep your people safe. When someone gets COVID, they're interviewed by a contact tracer to identify where they've been and who they could have given the virus to. If they were at your premises and there was a risk of them passing it on, we'll get in touch to let you know. If they have been on site, but there wasn't any risk to others, then it's all good. You won't need to do anything and you probably won't hear from us. This is often the case with customers who have COVID and visit places where they wear masks and interactions are brief, such as supermarkets and dairies. But if there was a risk of COVID spreading on your premises, we'll tell you when the person was infectious and their name if necessary. This is so you can check if they were on your premises during this time. Now it's really important you keep their information confidential, as their COVID diagnosis is private health information. If they were on site while infectious, we'll ask you to try and list the places they went, how long they were there, and what they were doing. We will then need you to tell us who they were with. This may be other staff, visitors, contractors, as well as customers. This is especially important in smaller indoor spaces or where they were face-to-face with others or together with others for longer than 15 minutes. Our teams will use this information to identify who is a close contact. These are the people who have the highest risk of getting the virus. Health staff will contact these close contacts and tell them to self-isolate and get tested. Now, if we don't have everyone's contact information, that's fine, but we may need to use other tools to reach people who have been on your premises. This could include your business being listed as a location of interest on the Ministry of Health website, or notifications being sent out via the COVID Tracer app. If your staff are told to self-isolate, you'll need to make sure they don't work during this period. In some places, it can be really hard to identify where the case was and who was near them. Where it's not possible to map this out, we may need to treat everyone on site as a close contact. Once we've got in touch with those most at risk, you'll need to notify others who were on site that there has been someone with COVID, even if they are not close contacts. It's important these people watch out for COVID-19 symptoms. But if they don't have any symptoms, they can come to your premises as usual and do not need to stay home. But if they start to feel unwell, they should get a test as soon as possible, stay home until the result comes back negative, and of course they're feeling better. Now, an email template is available from our website if you need it. You could also use your own website or social media channels. Again, we may need to list your premises as a location of interest on the Ministry of Health website or send out a notification via the COVID-19 app. You won't always have advance warning of this. It's important people in your organisation know where to turn to if they need help or have questions. They can call Healthline for free on 0800 358 5453. This is available 24/7 and Healthline does have interpreters for those who need it. This is especially important for those who have a higher risk if they get COVID, such as pregnant people or those with underlying health conditions such as diabetes. Once any staff who need to stay home have finished isolating, they can return to work as they're no longer at risk of infecting others. If you want to learn more, do visit our website at Auckland Regional Public Health. There is a link below. This includes information on how to prepare, steps you can take to reduce the risk of COVID-19 spreading, and a step-by-step guide to contact tracing. More information is also available via WorkSafe and Envy. And remember, people who are concerned or feel unwell can call Healthline for free for advice anytime, 0800 358 5453. Kia kaha. Stay safe.